Hey guys, welcome back Ship Army. December will make us millionaires. Get ready to get rich soon. Shib news: the past few months have not been the best time for Shiba Inu, as the token's value has been declining rapidly over the past 5 months. Much of the problem had to do with the decline in burn volume that fueled the ship's recovery in the market. Fortunately, the situation is finally changing according to the ship, and the burn rate on the network has increased significantly. The most recent data shows that the ship has seen a massive burn. In this video, we will talk about the spike of 910 in the past 24 hours alone, making it one of the most significant increases in burns in recent weeks. Army December will make us millionaires. Get ready to be rich soon. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. The Shiba Inu burn address ending in 3963 removed over 5 million tokens from network circulation, making it the largest contributor to the amount of SHINU burned in the last 24 hours. Unfortunately, the massive percentage spike in burn volume did not cause a corresponding effect on the market. Shibu continuously moves below the local resistance level, reflected on the 21-day moving average. The price drop results from the massive outflow of funds from the cryptocurrency market and the total abandonment of retail wallets across the digital asset industry. Traders and investors have been rapidly selling their holdings since the start of this year, and high-risk assets like shibainu were one of the first digital investment tools to disappear from their wallets. At press time, shibainu is trading at 0.009, below the important psychological threshold of 0.00000001. Unfortunately, the amount of burned SHIB tokens currently available to us is insufficient to cover the existing oversupply, which has continually driven down the price of the very token shibainu. Is regarded as one of the biggest crypto assets in the market right now, unlike many other coins. Shibu offers stake rewards to all its investors to get the investor title. Crypto users only have to purchase SHIB tokens on the shibaswap marketplace and then put up their tokens for staking under the berry option. Once that is done, the investor sits back and rests easy, knowing that a stream of passive income is now available without having to take part in any riskier market coins by activating the staking options. The investor does not have to deal with coins that do not offer the same level of security as SHINU. Apart from the SHIB tokens, investors can follow the same process for the secondary tokens like Leash and Bone. While Bone offers the option of passive income, it is also used by investors to vote on the decisions made on the shibainu platform. Inu creates an inclusive environment that ensures all voices are heard by allowing investors to participate in the decision-making process. It also makes sure to put the needs of the investors first, and that is a huge attraction in the crypto market. Crypto.com has released an audited proof of reserves page showing that the exchange has enough crypto assets to back its thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content. Liabilities to customers. According to a December 9th statement on the exchange website, the new page shows that Crypto.com is 102% Bitcoin, 101% Ethereum, and 102% USD coin needed to process withdrawals. Dogecoin or Doge Shibu Chain Links Link or Link and Decentraland Mana or Mana are also included in the report, with each of them having reserves above 100% on Sunday, December 11th. Dogecoin or Doge slid by 3.63%, following a 0.52% decline on Saturday. Doge ended the week down 10.94% to 0.928. Notably, Doge failed to revisit 0.10 for the fourth consecutive session. A bullish start to the day saw Doge rise to an early morning high of 0.972, coming up against the first major resistance level, or R1, at 0.972. Doge slid to a late low of 0.916. Doge fell through the day's major support levels to end the session at 0.928. Shiba Inu fell by 0.65% on Sunday, following a 0.54% loss on Saturday. Shib ended the week down 2.56% to 0.912. However, finding support at the second major support level, or S2. At 0.97, SHIB ended the day at 0.912, as one pegged SHIB back from a full recovery following a bearish weekend. Doge and SHIB were deep into negative territory this morning. Market anxiety over the upcoming Fed interest rate decision tested investors over the weekend, and this morning, following a bullish U.S. jobs report and an ISM's non-manufactured PMI survey, the focus shifts to tomorrow's US. The CPI report was hotter than expected. Inflation numbers could slash bets on a December Fed pivot. Friday's U.S. wholesale inflation figures showed that while marginally softer, inflationary pressures are likely to linger, which could give the Fed hawks the upper hand. Adding to the bearish mood is news of unusual activity on Binance, which delivered an update stating that the activity appeared normal. Nonetheless, the Binance news was enough to make investors nervous in the wake of the FTX collapse. The latest news comes at a time when trust is compromised. Today, there are no U.S. economic indicators to consider leaving. Tuesday's CPI report in focus. Elon Musk and Twitter could reverse Doge and SHIB losses following the news that Twitter is planning to launch a Twitter coin. Doge has struggled, but the Twitter confirmation of Doge's integration into the Twitter payment platform would provide much-needed support. SHIB was down 3.7% to 0.884. A bearish start to the day saw the SHIB fall from an early high of 0.912 to a low of 0.000000. 843 chip fell through today's major support levels before a move back through the third major support level at 0.872. SHIB needs to move through S2 and S1 and the 0.616 pivot to target the first major resistance level R1 at 0.925 and the Sunday high of 0.929. A return to 0.920 would signal a bullish afternoon session. However, SHIB will likely take its skis from the broader crypto market and the Nasdaq index in the case of an extended rally. SHIB would likely test the second major resistance level, or R2, at 0.938. The third major resistance level, or R3, sits at 0.960, failing to move through S2 and S1, and the pivot would leave the third major support level, S3, at 0.872 in play. The EMAs send a bearish signal with SHIB sitting below the 50-day EMA, currently at 0.923. This morning, the 50-day EMA slid back from the 100-day EMA, with the 100-day EMA pulling back from the 200-day EMA. The signals were bearish. A move through S2, S1, and the 50-day EMA would support a breakout from R1 and the 100-day EMA to target R2. However, failure to move through the 50-day EMA would leave SHIB under pressure. SHIBA INU price prediction suggests the consolidation phase of SHIB crypto inside the descending triangle pattern over the daily price chart. SHIB crypto is trading at 20 EMA, but is still below the 50, 100, and 200-day daily moving averages. The pair of SHIB's SLEPC is at 0.00000000000000000054 BTC with an intraday gain of 0.22%. The SHIBU price prediction points to the token being confined inside the falling triangle formation over the daily price chart. The SHIB coin needs to climb out of its current condition to rise above the daily price chart. The token must wait until it leaves the consolidation state and breaks out of the descending triangular pattern before the SHIB army can move in throughout the daily price chart. The price of Shiba Inu went through an exciting roller coaster, initially failing to escape the descending triangle pattern and getting stuck in the consolidation stage. The token was able to escape the consolidation phase after recovering, but it was quickly drawn back into the falling triangle pattern. SHIBU price needs to exit the falling triangle pattern, and more buyers need to enter the market during intraday trading for the token to move into its recovery phase. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the